Hello world, today we're talking about chlamydia. Hey Bob, we got the wrong channel. Alright, welcome to today's episode of Should You Buy? Stay tuned to see how you can win this product. Alright, so here we have the ECFD0102. It is $89 retail price. It has a 4.5 hour recharge time. You'll see on the box. We do have a 3-hour runtime on the 900 lumen setting. We also have a 6-hour runtime on the 500 lumen setting. So you have those two settings. One is the 900 lumen and then the other is the 500 lumen. So in the box you typically get the product, the cable, and the charging brick, as most of us refer it to. So as you can see, this box is pretty darn empty. Here is the actual light. It is supposed to be IP68 water resistant, so I would be safe and confident in dropping it in water or coolant. There's the strong magnet. You know, it's not flimsy whatsoever. Here are the charge indicators. We have the 100 down to 0%. It goes in 25% increments. That's the button. Sorry, power button. That's the power button, and then it shows you a level indicator right there. There is the micro USB charging port, sealed by that little rubber. Pretty decent for the product. Again, you do have that hole there for a possible tripod mount in the back. And let's see here. So here I'm going to show try to show the strength of the magnet. It's pretty strong. The flatter the surface, the stronger it seems to grab, which is pretty good. Can't complain too much about it. And as I stated earlier, the swiveling arm is not flimsy by any means. So here I'm going to show you some examples. Here we are in a garage. There's the first setting, there's the second setting, and we're back to pitch black. Granted, the camera shows it as pitch black, but it's not pitch black, and there it's where the front of the car is in the innermost part of the garage, so obviously we get minimal light. Here's another example. If we were underneath the vehicle during broad daylight, you know, the camera doesn't do good in low light settings, but here I'm going to put this guy up there. Here's our first setting, which is the 900 lumen setting. As you can see, we have a pretty good light. Here's our second setting. Like I said, only two settings, so still gives you a good visibility. I mean, 500 lumens by no means is pathetic. It's pretty darn good. Now 900 lumens, that is amazing. So this floodlight definitely performs how it's supposed to. I personally only use this if my jobs are taking about 45 minutes or longer and I need light. Here's my last example underneath another vehicle. We're doing some maintenance. That's our first setting. Again, second setting. So just to give you guys quick examples, as I am removing this drain plug to see how much oil is left in there, since I used the suction machine, which has nothing to do with this light, but we'll just throw it in here, you know, for laughs and giggles. So a little bit of oil there, it'll finish coming out. Might have been smart to rush through this part, as nobody wants to see oil dripping, just like nobody wants to see slow stuff happening. Grass grow. First setting, 900 lumens. Second setting, 500 lumens. And we're off again. Now, if you wanted to reposition it, or as I was saying earlier, the charge indicator right there, obviously it went down because we were on the high setting. Alright, so is this a yes, a no, a maybe? I'm gonna have to say yes, it is. It is a decent light. I would have preferred if it had a variable light button as far as some of the other lights where you can change the thing. But so if you want to win this, all you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This will run for about a week or two. As you'll see in the description, it'll have the runtime as far as how long you have to enter before, you know, this gets given out. I will be keeping it within the 50 states, or the US, unfortunately, since I can't do outside shipping. But those are the only things you have to do. Other than that, that's it. See you next time.